Hello traders, happy Monday. My name is Jonathan, the owner of SysFX, and in this short video today we're going to mark up the charts for the week. Let's get started. So before we get started, let me tell you guys my trading plan. Number one, I mark support and resistance on the 4 hour. Number two, I mark resistance and support levels on the 1 hour as well. After that, I wait for a break and retest on a trending market. In step 4, I wait for rejection once that break and retest happens. And number 5, I enter without fail. So after knowing that, guys, let's go ahead and get started. So first pair is AUD CAD. Let's clear this out so we can draw it nice and new. It's a little bit wicky. There's too many wicks right here. So honestly, I probably won't be trading this pair much because of those wicks. But if I were to trade it, I put it here and down here because you can literally extend this way. And it's definitely support and it was resistance before, like resistance there. And it kind of broke through a little bit here, but that's fine. It broke through, not really, like I said, it's choppy. I wouldn't be trading it, but that's what you get. Next pair. Now I didn't go down to the 1 hour because it's not so pretty. So let's go ahead and reset this. Obviously the top here, not really relevant, but I'm still going to mark it. The bottom here, it actually did retest perfectly and it went down. I missed that trade last week, but that's irrelevant now. So let's put this down here. This is the bottom support. And now we move to the 1 hour and we do the same thing. That's not a big one. I'm not going to play that one, but here is pretty good. So we have this. Like so. Now let's go back to the 4 hour and see which way it's going. It's technically going down at the moment, so this is what we're going to look at. We want to see this. We have to be patient with it, but it could happen. Definitely could happen because it is going down. This is a double top and it can't continuing downward. And if it happens, if it happens to retest here, I definitely enter the sell again because it was a break and retest and it is a bearish market. It's still going down. Next pair, AUD USD. If you guys haven't seen my last video, I explained how I got this win. And if you join the free Telegram channel, literally you can watch me take this trade and future trades. So let's get this going. Let's mark up here like so. This is technically a top now, so we can wait for that break down to the 1 hour. You know what? Let me put something below just in case it goes downward. But right now, it's definitely, if you zoom out a little bit, definitely going upward now. So definitely bullish. So for this pair, it's simple. You don't want to wait to enter way down here because that's not even going to play this week. Possibly it's going to take too long. So what I'm looking for is this up here. You break, retest, continue upward. That's what I'm looking for this pair. That's it. Next up, CAD JPY down to the 4 hour. Holy bearish. Did I take this trade? I should have taken the trade. See, look at that. Okay, so this is from last week's pair. Let me show you what I mean. Look, let's go down to the 1 hour. These were drawn last week. These weren't even played yet. So it literally goes here. It broke through. It retested it. Rejected and enter. That's literally my entry criteria. Same here. Look. So support went up here. It broke through. It rejected, and then it went down. Look. That's literally what I trade. If you look at it down here, what happened? It literally support, broke through, rejected, continued down. It's my trading plan is simple, guys. You can easily follow this. Anybody can start, and that's what I want to push to you guys. So as of right now, that's probably the only play, and it's still pretty solid going downward. So literally, if this comes back up and rejects, I'll enter that sell right there. Next up, Euro USD. Let's clear this chart because it's pretty nasty. Let's keep it simple, guys. Auto, it is definitely at a big or resistance area now. So what we wait for since it is still going down, guys, don't overthink it. It's going down, see? But if it breaks up here and does this, that is a good reversal that we would have caught. But that's not our trading plan, so this is what we're not really touching Euro USD at the moment. If I were to touch it, it'd be, oh man, it would be here. If it were to continue downward, it'd have to look like this. Guys, I'm posting these charts on the Telegram channel for you guys to look at, so please join. I'm not twisting your leg or anything, but if you join, you'll see me trade. You'll learn a little bit. Gbp Cad. Wow, what a reversal. So as you can see, resistance, broke through, rejected, and then shot up. I'm probably not going to touch this pair unless it decides to return down. So it's pretty ugly, to be honest with you. It's not very clean, so I'm not even going to touch this. So you know what? I'll do this. I'll clear it out so I don't touch it. There's no clear structure there at the moment. Okay, let's see here. GBP, JPY. Let's draw this bottom one here. Go down to the 1 hour. It actually looks good for a sell now, to be honest with you. Potential sell right there. Woof. Let's go. Could happen, could not. I don't trade Mondays, so we'll see. Next up, again, I took this trade on last week. The only 2 trades I took. Look at that. It's simple. It was going upward. It broke through right here, the support. It broke through, rejected, and it went back up. So I like these lines, guys. I'm going to keep them. 4 hour. Right here, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. Let's go down to the 1. Not very pretty at the moment, so I'm either gonna wait for it to touch again so I can enter, or I'll have to wait for this break up here to continue upward. Not many pairs lining up this week, kind of like last week. Let's see here. Part of trading, guys, is knowing when to wait. If it doesn't fit your criteria, don't force a trade, because let me tell you, you're gonna end up losing that one. Too many wicks. I'll just put it right here. Too many wicks. Nas is going crazy right now. I don't even understand it. So I'm not gonna touch it. Why is it going up? It's supposed to be in a recession. Let me draw this. If there's a clear break upward, not a wick, but a clear break, and retest and goes back up, I'll take that trade. Like so. NZD, JPY. Bottoms down here. It's obviously going downward. Look at this big old downward. You know what? Let me clear this out. This is what I'm looking for. A little break and a retest. Wait for rejection, then enter. That's pretty much it. I don't know if it does go up. I'm not entering it. So as you can see, this one's going upward. This 4 hours chart is right here. Resistance zone there. You can actually adjust it. Now, it's not very clear of a break. It's kind of just sitting there. I really want to see a push upward a little bit and then down, retesting it, waiting for rejection, and then popping it back up. I think that's all of it. Nope, I think US 30 is the last one. Oh, we got 3 more to go. Okay. So US 30. I actually don't really like trading US 30 with my strategy because it does bounce a lot. But sometimes there's just really good setups. Sometimes. So let's go down. Let's stay at the 1 hour. So if you have the double top, we have to, assuming it's still going up, break retest that way. If not, the last known break was right here. So if it happens to come here to retest, then we can do the buy down there. Next pair. See, USD CAD. This was a pair. I was already in 2 trades, so I didn't want to take this one, but it ended up winning, which is kind of cool. Irrelevant now. So 4 hour. Support. Broke through. Kind of ugly looking. I'll leave this here just because if it does touch here again, I can enter the sell once more. So this is what I'm looking for. Here. Or if I want to play it safe, if you're a beginner, this is what I would do. I would put this support down here and then wait for that to break. So you literally wait for it to come here, up here, wait for rejection like always. That's really important. Wait for rejection and then enter there. So right now it's looking very bearish, so let's not touch it unless it's going down more. No buys. Gold has been ugly these past few weeks. So simple. This was a 4 hour. I want to see a touchdown here before it continues back up, or it can easily wait for it to come up here and then sell here, because if you scroll out, it's still going downward. As you can see, I don't need much to become a profitable trader, and neither do you. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe. See ya.